how to restore home screen layout to fix deleted apps and icons. Here I will delete this icon, so I'll tap on remove, and here for this app I'm going to uninstall the GoPro Quick app. And you can see if you have accidentally deleted widgets or icons or apps on your home screen, then you can try to restore it, provided that you have recently backed up your device. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on restore data from the Samsung Cloud section. Now in here, tap on the device that you want to restore from. And then tap on the all option and remove the checkbox. Next, we go down and tap on home screen. And inside here, apps will also automatically restore. So if I deselect that, you see here, we restore automatically. App restoration requires installation. So here, we require to restore home screen. So what we do is we select home screen in apps and then tap on restore, then tap on install. After, tap on the home button. So we're just going to wait for that to finish. So it is now restoring your home screen icons, widgets, and any apps on the home screen. So we're just going to wait for that to download. Now, as just now I have deleted the app. You can see it's now trying to download one app of one app. And if you have deleted several apps since the last backup, then the phone will attempt to re-download them back to your device. And because this app is relatively quite small, so the restoration process is fairly quick. So it's at 98% now. Okay, so the restore has now completed. Tap on done, and then I'm going to choose later and tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you swipe across, you can see my icons, my gallery icons has been restored, and the apps also has been restored. And that's it. That is how you can restore the home screen layout and fix deleted apps, icons, and deleted apps and widgets on your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.